Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. The first one what we should do is a check if you have the last software version. So open Huawei Life application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it and then go to update at the left bottom. It check for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Now if it didn't help you or you haven't new version, the second one is to check your audio player. So let's say you listen to music with Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Firstly just remove it from the cache and open it again, then check. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Play Market or Google Play and check and update if you haven't. And the last one, if both of these methods didn't help you, is to perform a factory reset. So firstly, you need to locate Touch HardReset. Touch HardReset is located at the back side of the both of earbuds. Right here at the top, we have it. Now place both of your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the lid. You need to press and hold both of these Touch HardReset until this LED light flashed red. Firstly it entered to pairing mode, so it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding it. And we need to wait red LED light. Here we go, now you can release your finger. And firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so go to the settings, Bluetooth. And right here you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds, or maybe a settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device at the top. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to enter pairing mode manually, we just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!